Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK race. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And we no need no ladder. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase and that one we go bring one of the exciting reason for the topic of local and international entertainment. So if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. But when you like the reason and of course when you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then kick in the like button. Now let's get right into the reasoning. Now nation, Drake has issued a worldwide message to which Vybz Kartel has confirmed his anticipation. While there has been no confirmation that Vybz Kartel is a part of this album project, before the Sports Center teaser for Drake's new album appeared, he apparently reignited a feud with Kanye West that began in 2008. By using his guest verse on Trippie Redd's track titled Betrayal to rap, "You ain't changed shit for me, it's set in stone." Kanye West responded by posting an Instagram story of an antagonistic text message and another post revealing Drake's home address, which he quickly deleted. And on Kanye West's new album Donda, he has a feature from Shenseea, which is a dancehall artist. So no confirmation if Drake will also have a dancehall artist on his album and which dancehall artist that will be. Now music fans have been long awaited a Drake and Vybz Kartel feature, and it's definitely something that will wake up international music. We have seen the success of a Drake and Popcorn, so we know what Drake and Vybz Kartel do for world music. What has been confirmed, however, is that on Friday, September 3rd, Drake's album Certified Lover Boy, or CLB, will be released. Drake also posted the cover art for his new album, which features a collage of different pregnant emojis symbolizing different races. And the cover art has been confirmed by Tidal's Chief Content Officer, Elliot Wilson. It is also a joy for fans to see the support that dancehall music is receiving from international hip-hop superstars and the support that dancehall has continued to show hip-hop, the entire genre, and all of the superstars involved. Recently, Jamaican stars contributed greatly to DJ Khaled and his album success, and even with the previous album as well. West link up with Shenseea, we see the support where young hip-hop superstars are show skilly bang and I see how that flow there and that vibe the way I bring with the dancehall and the certain type of hip-hop fusion dancehall beats. They must set a work for the overseas market. Popcorn, a Gaza youth, definitely used the opportunity presented to him for go out there, go make a name for himself, and has now been featured on numerous tracks with hip-hop superstars who do extremely well. From tracks with Megan, to tracks with Drake himself, and even tracks with Thugger and Jamie X. This is definitely a good look for music overall, and for the teacher show the fans say yes, this album, the Drake will drop, is definitely in high anticipation to hear the tracks and see how Drake plans to reinvent his sound and present it to the people again. Because one thing Drake is known for is incorporating different styles and bringing a different type of vibe to music. Something that only Vybz Kartel they can say, must say do that on countless occasions. From the image itself, to the style of music, to the cadence of voice, to the lyrical delivery, to the flow, Vybz Kartel has always continued to show us musical diversity. Always shown us that there is no limit to what dancehall music and dancehall entertainers can achieve. Don't feel like the dancehall artists are limited to talking about any specific subject matter. No! Of course, an entertainer's job is to entertain, but when they express themselves creativity, there should be no limits and restrictions imposed on them. And that's when we are talking about good music. There are some people who want to bring some things into the music way. Of course, there will be no support for them type of talk and them type of thing they might try to bring in the industry. But where creativity is concerned, dancehall can't stall. It keeps going. And this is also something that international sprinting legend Usain Bolt also attests to. He was quoted as saying, Vybz Kartel is just very smart. If you listen to his music and how he performs, he will sing this, and then next week you will hear his music and it's just totally different. Different subject matter, different cadence, different flow, different type of beat selection, different rhythm. Now, Vybz Kartel also recently released his own album project titled Born for This. And after 2 prolific decades and counting, Vybz Kartel definitely showed his undeniable musical prowess. What is also unbeknown to most fans is that the beats chosen for the album Born for This were exclusively made by Vybz Kartel Music, as well as Sharp Bass Music and Ike Up on the Beat music label. And we know, the nation know how Vybz Kartel go to work when we are say production. Remember when teachers say, no, when we are create the Portmore Empire, we decide say, not only do we want artists, we also want engineers and producers as well. And that is how Not Nice himself has a career today. Now, critics also said of the album that despite incarceration, the veteran is defiant and multifaceted as ever, giving fans vivid imagery through music with his distinct delivery on themes of sex, love, and of course his unquestionable staying power among other topics. On the album, Vybz Kartel also chose to touch on the topic of his global influence, hindered only by his absence from society. And the album is available on all digital platforms as we speak. Make sure you stay streaming. If you know somebody when you grab them copy it, which should be impossible at this point in time, make sure you tell them go grab them copy. Make them know that the album and all tracks are available on all digital platforms, as well as all of Vybz Kartel's catalog of music. Yes, they are available on all digital platforms. Continue to stream, continue to share, continue to support good music. So Vybz Kartel I put it out there. Drake album I go drop, and him I said Drake put out good music, and the support for good music can never stop. So I'm saying in high anticipation for the CLB album project from Drake. As I was saying, no official confirmation if Vybz Kartel will be a part of the project. Pandanda, Kanye West album, Shensia is featured, but she's not listed on the track. Why? Maybe that will change later on. No official confirmation yet. But you only see the song title, and maybe she's somewhere in the list of credits. But West did have a dancehall artist on the album. You know what I mean? We don't know if Drake will decide to have Teach Up on the album or maybe have Spice. One thing for sure though, in a dancehall music currently, if we are talking about an artist who put out the music for the ladies, if an Kartel or Dexter Raps, if Drake or Sema look a feature to put on a track for the ladies in a dancehall music from a dancehall artist, if him not choose to use a female dancehall artist, after Drake or Dexter Raps, you don't see nobody else. And only for other artists put out music for the ladies. Think about it. But Vybz Kartel over the years, no. Remember, Fever still have the yell them a sweat. 500,000 copies sold and counting. So we know for sure if Vybz Kartel put out tracks for the ladies react well. You know what I mean? Them love the flow, them love the energy, them love the vibe, and them also love the subject matter. You know what I mean? So it will be it's a no-brainer, as I did say. Talk to me in the comment section. How you feel about Born for This, the album, you know what I mean, out. And for this album, Vybz Kartel definitely kept all production in-house. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancer correspondent, the Gaza representative. I say I'm reminding you, know, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion, comment section open 24/7. Never lack yet. All you have to do is just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. I also want you on the feel about the Shensia and Kanye West track on the Danda album. Now I mean, I want to feel about the vibe, the delivery of the track itself. As I'm say, in this day and age, more hip-hop superstars are choosing to do music with dancehall entertainers, and that is definitely a good look because dancehall was definitely one of the founding forces of the hip-hop genre. No make them telling them nothing. Until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, of course, wanna live, love, and prosper.